Hey guys, it's Tuka Izzy. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm actually really excited to do this because guys, the hospital is now free. Yes, I repeat, the hospital is now free, and oh my god, I am super excited, and it is finally time. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's time that I reset my world for no reason. I don't really know why I'm doing this. And let's come and make a new family with me. Let's start. Okay. R.I.P. family. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're gonna make the family first. So, and also here's proof that the hospital is now free. Like, look at this. OMG. Let's make one. So I'm going to make the family first. I think I'm gonna do like a single mom because oh my god. Sorry about that guys, I did not know what just happened. So I'm gonna make the family now. Now I'm done doing the family. I'm gonna search up on YouTube free house ideas because they look really aesthetic and I'm really lazy to do it by myself, so I'm just gonna search up. Without further ado, let's do it. Okay guys, I just need to tell you something because I found this really cute free house tour on YouTube, and credits to this YouTuber. I cannot believe how cute it is, and I really love it so much. So credits to them, and make sure to subscribe to them too. Now I'm done going to the post office. I'm going to decorate the house now, and also sorry if this video is so long. And here are the results. And oh my god, they look so pretty. Even the outfits. Wait. I'm not done yet because yeah, it's the only thing I could get. But I'll get some more soon. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you on another video. Bye.